channeling your energy. Your soul calls here.
Aries, Sun, Moon at Rising. Welcome today sa ating weekly tarot reading. Today, ang energy mo Aries, kung ikaw ang nanonood ngayon, gusto kong sabihin na itong reading na to ay may particular na energy na lumalabas para sa'yo this week. Hindi ito tungkol sa simpleng swerte o malas. Mas nakikita ko rito kung saan napupunta ang energy mo, lalo na sa pera, trabaho at physical well-being. So, sa money side muna tayo. May feeling na may gusto kang simulan o may idea kang matagal nang iniisip pero hindi pa siya completely stable. Parang may opportunity o pagkakakitaan na exciting sa umpisa pero kailangan mong tignan kung practical ba talaga siya bago mo ilabas ang pera, oras o effort mo. This week, huwag agad mag-commit dahil lang maganda pakinggan ang offer ha. May possibility na may delay sa payment, late transaction, incomplete na amount o isang financial expectation na hindi agad matutupad sa timing na gusto mo. Kung may hinihintay kang pera, hindi ko nakikita na totally block siya. Pero may pagka-delayed or inconsistent ang movement. Kaya kung may budget ka for the week ha, mas mabuting mag-iwan ka ng allowance kaysa ubusin lahat dahil may inaasahan kang papasok. May isa pang bagay na napapansin ko dito. Family or household expenses can become noticeable. Pwedeng may kailangang bayaran sa bahay, may gamit na kailangang palitan, o may responsibility na hindi mo naman originally pinagbudgetan. Ayan. Pero may magandang side Aries. May energy ng fresh initiative. Kung may sideline, maliit na business idea, content, commission-based work, application, project, or bagong paraan ng pagkita na gusto mong subukan, this week is actually good for planting the seed. Ayan. And hindi kailangan malaking investment agad. Start small. Test it, observe the result, then build from there. Kasi ang money energy mo ngayon mas pabor sa steady growth kaysa mabilisang kita. At Aries, isang warning lang ha, huwag mong hayaan ang excitement ang magdesisyon para sa wallet mo. Ayan. At sa health naman, ang pinaka-strong na napapansin ko ay energy depletion. Hindi ito reading na nagsasabing may specific disease ka ha. Ayan na naman tayo. Tarot cannot diagnose a medical condition pero symbolically may indication ng katawan na parang hindi fully nakaka-recover kahit nagpapahinga ka. Ang areas na gusto kong bigyan mo ng attention this week ay sleep, nervous system stress, digestion, at overall energy levels. Pwedeng mapansin mo na mas madaling mapagod, mentally restless, hirap mag-switch off ang utak sa gabi, or pagising mo, parang hindi ka completely refresh. Ayan, Aries. Sa digestive side, pay attention kung may bloating, irregular bowel movement, pagbabago ng appetite o pagiging sensitive ng tiyan kapag stress ka or hindi regular ang pagkain. Hindi ibig sabihin na may serious problem agad ha. Pero kung may symptom kang paulit-ulit, lumalala, matindi o may bago kang nararamdaman, huwag tarot ang gawing diagnosis. Magpatingin sa qualified medical professional, okay? Kaya this week, Aries, ang message for your body is very simple. Huwag mong hintayin na maubos ka bago ka magpahinga, ha? Kahit busy ka, kailangan may intention downtime din. At may isa pang very specific feeling dito, mental overload. Maraming iniisip simultaneously, pera, responsibilities, future plans, at mga bagay na hindi mo pa kayang kontrolin. Kaya Aries, this week, protect your energy. Hindi lahat ng problema kailangan mong ayusin ngayong araw. Minsan ang pinaka-practical na move ay huminto muna. Huminga, matulog ng maayos, kumain ng regular, then decide kapag mas clear na ang isip mo. At sa money side, small consistent steps ang mas may potential na magdala sa'yo ng stability kaysa impulsive decisions this week. Aries, pagdating sa love, mas emotionally deep ang energy kaysa sa ipinapakita mo sa ibang tao. May part sa'yo ngayon na gusto ng genuine connection pero at the same time, may hesitation. Parang ayaw mo nang paulit-ulit na mag-invest ng feeling sa sitwasyon na hindi malinaw ang direction. Kung single ka, may possibility na may communication, interaction, or pwede ritong attraction na magsimula in a light and unexpected way. Hindi ko ito nakikita as something na kailangan mong pilitin. Mas parang may conversation or encounter na initially simple lang, pero may potential na maging interesting kapag nagpatuloy. Yun lang, Aries, may caution nga lang. Huwag mong punan ng imagination ang mga bagay na hindi pa naman ipinapakita sa actions, ha? At kung interesado ang isang tao, observe consistency. Hindi sapat ang sweet words. This week, mas mahalaga sa iyo ang effort, presence, at follow through. Kung may ka-talking stage, ayan, or dating situation, possible na may mixed signals. One moment, very interested, then biglang tahimik or distracted. Instead na habulin ang explanation, observe muna, Aries. May tendency rito na isang tao ang emotionally invested habang isa naman ay hindi pa completely ready magbigay ng same level of commitment. At kung in a relationship ka, kailangan ng mas honest pero gentle na conversation. May maliit na issue na pwedeng lumaki kapag parehong nag-iwas magsalita. Hindi kailangan ng confrontation, ha? Kailangan lang ng clarity. Sabihin kung ano ang kailangan mo without attacking the other person. At Aries, ito ang pinaka-importanting message sa love reading natin. Huwag mong i-measure ang worth mo based sa attention na natatanggap mo. Kung may taong inconsistent, hindi ibig sabihin na kulang ka. Sometimes, ang inconsistency ng ibang tao ay tungkol sa capacity nila, not your value. Sa career naman, may energy ng bagong idea, bagong task, or bagong direction sa work, pero hindi pa completely developed. Pwedeng may opportunity na mukhang maliit sa umpisa, a project, a client, a collaboration, a side hustle, a new responsibility, or something na kailangan mong matutunan bago ito maging financially rewarding. Don't underestimate small beginnings, pero may warning din. Huwag mag-overpromise. Kung may deadline, make sure kaya mo talaga. Kung may trabaho kang tinatanggap, alamin muna ang expectation bago magsabi ng yes. Ha, Aries? Okay, sana noted mo yan, ha? May possibility this week na magkaroon ng delay, revision, cancellation, or pagbabago ng arrangements sa isang work matter. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na failure yan. Minsan, kailangan lang i-adjust ang original plan. For those looking for work, application, or new clients, keep moving, but don't expect every opportunity to immediately turn into something permanent, okay? And one good lead can still open another door. At para sa Aries na may sariling business or ginagawa sa online, this is a good week to experiment. Test a new idea, try a presentation, improve your offer, improve your system, pero wag sabay-sabayin lahat, ha. Mas maganda ang isang bagay na maayos mong nabubuo kaysa 10 bagay na nagsimula pero natatapos. Overall, Aries, love and career are both asking you for the same thing this week. Don't rush what needs time to develop, may potential, may movement, pero ang quality ng magiging result will depend heavily on consistency, boundaries, and the decision you make now. Aries, dito tayo sa mas specific na group reading. Kung ikaw ay OFW, senior citizen, or single mom, pakinggan mo ito dahil iba ang pressure at responsibilities na dala ng bawat situation. Hindi lahat ng messages ay kailangang tumama sa lahat. Kunin mo lamang kung ano ang genuinely relevant sa buhay mo. Para sa Aries na OFW, may energy ng pagod na matagal mo nang kinikimkim. Pwedeng physically malayo ka sa pamilya pero mentally parang lagi mo silang kasama dahil iniisip mo ang bills, responsibilities, remittance at kung sapat ba ang kinikita mo para sa lahat. This week may possibility ng work-related adjustment. Pwedeng schedule, duty, task, paperwork, payment, accommodation, or communication with someone connected to your work. Hindi ko nakikitang kailangan mong magpanik ha. Ang mas importante ay double check everything. Kung may document, contract, application, transfer, renewal, or financial transaction, basahin ng maayos bago mag-agree. May tendency rin na may gusto kang simulan ng bagong financial plan, pero kailangan muna itong pag-aralan. For OFWs thinking about changing jobs or employers, don't make a major decision habang sobrang emotionally exhausted ka. Give yourself time to compare the practical side. Salary, benefits, working conditions, locations, contract, ayan. And most importantly, your long-term security. This week may also bring a conversation with someone from home that reminds you why you're working so hard. And honestly, Aries, may emotional way doon. You may look strong to everyone else, pero may moments na gusto mo rin maramdaman na may nag-aalaga naman sa'yo, di ba? Para naman sa Aries senior citizen, ang energy dito ay more focus on routine, finances, family support, and physical rest. May indication na kailangan mong maging mas conscious sa energy mo. Hindi kailangan laging sumabay sa lahat ng ginagawa ng ibang tao. Kung may errands or responsibilities, pace yourself. At kung may regular medication, appointment, or health routine ka, stick to the instruction given by your healthcare professional. May possibility din na may family member na mas concerned sa'yo this week. Baka hindi nila sabihin directly pero mapapansin mo sa actions nila. For financial matters, avoid unnecessary spending or agreeing to something you haven't fully understood. Kung may unfamiliar transaction, investment offer, loan request, or financial arrangement, ask question first. Hindi masamang maging conscious ha. In fact, this week caution protects your peace. At para sa Aries single mom, ito ang pinakamabigat, ang emotional energy. Parang matagal ka nang nasa mode na ako na lang ang gagawa. Ikaw ang nag-aasikaso, ikaw ang nagpaplano, ikaw ang naghahanap ng paraan. Ikaw ang kailangang maging strong kapag may problema. Pero this week, may reminder na hindi mo kailangang dalhin lahat ng sabay-sabay. May possibility ng concern involving household expenses, child's needs, school-related matters, or an unexpected responsibility. Hindi naman automatic na malaking problema, pero something may require your attention. Financially ha, be practical. Kung may gustong bilhin, prioritize necessities first. And emotionally, Aries single mom, please remember this. Hindi porke ikaw ang strong sa pamilya, ibig sabihin hindi ka na pwedeng mapagod ha. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to ask for help. You are allowed to say hindi ko muna kaya ngayon. At kung may situation involving the father of your child or another person connected to your family responsibilities, keep the conversation focused on what is practical and beneficial for the child rather than reopening old emotional wounds. This week, protect your peace. Okay, mga Aries? At OFW, senior citizen, single mom, magkakaiba man ang buhay ninyo, may common message. Be careful with your energy, your money, and your decision. May mga bagay na hindi kailangang madaliin, may mga bagay na kailangan munang obserbahan. At may mga pagkakataon na ang maliit na practical decision ngayon ay maaring magkaroon ng malaking effect sa stability mo later. At Aries, hindi mo kailangang patunayan na kaya mong gawin lahat ha. This week, choose what is sustainable. Hindi lang survival ang goal. Stability din. Aries, bago natin tapusin ang reading na to, gusto kong iwan sa'yo yung pinaka-importanting energy na lumalabas para sa week na to. Una, wag mong madaliin ang bagay na hindi pa ready. May mga opportunity na exciting, may mga taong interesting, may mga plans na gusto mong simulan agad. Pero hindi lahat ng mabilis ay magandang desisyon. This week, your intuition is asking you to pause before reacting. Kapag may offer, message, invitation, or decision na biglang dumating, give yourself time. Tanungin mo muna, practical ba to para sa akin? Consistent ba ang actions? May peace ba akong mararamdaman? Or excited lang ako? Magkaiba ang intuition at impulse ha. Intuition is usually quiet. Impulse wants an immediate answer. And Aries, malaking theme mo ngayon ang learning how to recognize that difference. Sa finances, protect what you've already built. Hindi kailangan na lahat ng bagong opportunity ay kunin. Choose quality over quantity. At kung may business, sideline, client, project, or financial plan kang gustong simulan, start with something manageable. Let results speak before you invest more. At sa love, don't chase clarity from someone who keeps creating confusion. Observe, listen, and most importantly, watch the pattern. One sweet conversation can feel powerful, pero consistency over time tells you much more. If someone genuinely values you, you shouldn't have to constantly convince yourself that their effort is enough. At emotionally, Aries ha, may part sa'yo na kailangan ng solitude. Hindi ibig sabihin na kailangan mong i-isolate ang sarili mo. Sometimes, you simply need a quiet, less noise, less explaining, less reacting, ayan. More listening to yourself. Kasi kapag masyadong maraming voices around you, mahirap marinig kung ano talaga ang gusto ng sarili mong puso. And I feel strongly about this. This week, don't make permanent decision based on temporary emotions. Kung galit ka, wait lang. Kung sobrang excited ka, wait muna. Kung sobrang lungkot ka, rest first, okay? Then decide. Aries, your energy this week is not about proving yourself to everybody. It's about becoming more intentional with where you put your time, money, attention, and emotional energy. May mga bagay na worth pursuing. May mga bagay na kailangan mo ng pag-isipan. At may mga bagay na kapag pinilit mo ngayon, mas lalo ka lang mapapagod. Trust what you observe. Trust the lessons you've already learned. And most importantly, don't abandon your own common sense just because your heart wants something badly. Your intuition and your practical mind can work together. Hindi mo kailangang pumili between being spiritual and being practical. You can be both. Aries, kung may tumama sa reading na to, balikan mo kung saan ka pinaka na-trigger or pinaka naramdaman ng parang para sa akin to. Minsan, doon natin nakikita kung anong part ng buhay natin ang humihingi ng atensyon. Maraming salamat, Aries, sa oras at energy mo. I appreciate you being here and allowing me to read the energy for this week. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. And please remember, you always have free will. Ang reading ay guidance, hindi kapalit ng sarili mong judgment, medical advice, financial advice, o personal decision making. Nag-ingat ka ha, alagaan mo ang sarili mo at piliin mo kung saan mo talaga gustong ilagay ang energy mo this week. Thank you so much for watching, Aries. Again, this is Astro Luna Quest. Hanggang sa muli.